Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we would like to discuss about a new concept or a new subject which is called structures. So in this episode we will have an introduction to structures, and we will also talk about how to define structures. So first and foremost, I would like you to know that structures are collections of related variables under one name, known as aggregates in the C standards. So structures are also called aggregates in C programming language, and they are a collection of related variables under one name. It's important to remember that structures may contain many variables of different types, so you're not limited to have a specific type of a variable for a structure. Rather, it's a mixture of many different types of variables inside and under one name. Structures are derived data types. They are not the primitive data types such as a character or an integer or a float. Those are primitive data types, and structures are rather derived data types. That means that structures they have been derived from primitive data types, and obviously they are constructed using objects of other types. Now, how to define a structure? We use this struct keyword to create a structure, and this identifier card is called the structure tag, and the variables that are introduced under the braces here inside the structure, they are called structure members. And you also should remember that structures in their definition they always end with a semicolon, so you should not forget about this semicolon at the end. Also, it's very important to remember that structure members cannot have the same name. Their names should always be unique. Now let's go and look at this another structure of employee. This structure has 4 members, and the first variable that has been introduced inside the structure is a character array of first name, character array of last name, integer age, and the double variable of hourly salary. Basically, we're defining all of the information that we need to store about an employee under one structure. And it makes it easier for us to declare and initialize all of these variables under one name instead of having to declare these variables for each employee one at a time. And that's it for this episode. Stay tuned as we go over structures in more details in the coming episodes.